I'll put the camera. And then grab the battery, contact and grab, get one. So, the whole camera for me. That's it. I always think that after lovely from the grey. Okay. Okay, one. Employ my PhD on dichotomy in consulting from summer sun. I'm quite getting that dog in my place through the system until autumn amateur and since warm to cool down after it's cold because also so when the hot different sun in November so December how to say it this year just on this distance so cheers man. Self-runner to get to come here self-runner which was in self-run please go in mid-May with off-grade with off-grade swimming and the 5-grade children's stock until off-grade stock until 10 go until 5-grade is stock and now good tomorrow if however that's very warm you can start some get high consistently up to 28 degrees Fahrenheit. This is going to something we will never cross again tomorrow. Into Appleworld here. So switching to around the United Kingdom. From that side, mate. Enjoy it, my friend. And from my camera, someday you'll come today. It's the one thing from today. He takes off in bed. He can win it. He got it right. The situation. He tells me then. He fights together. Me. He got nothing in the sport that he did himself. Kind of to shut down. He began to go to last to kind my sister on his machine. When he got to play on something, he came back to the machine for him and he gets me. Until the anticipation puzzle, I'm thinking like, he did it. I'm still right now, and I can tell. I'm get to my house.
Sorry for my hand, but it works.
Get again. From the right hand comes the time. Then you in on the camera. You put the hand through, the hand step. No, the hand is under 80 from the camera. Many heavy little funny up there. Now from the heel finder. Just to go on that. Instead of Jim in, Jim, I'm going to go. Jim out. I'm going to go. I'm going back. And I'm going to start recording and stop recording the action and cut. And the penguin doesn't stand in. Go black, the dog, and conduction to my dog, start calling questioning sounds. Display.
That's very sad.
Different to be.
Yeah, if you don't want to tell me what I did wrong, so, see you.
After a quick one, pop, so, fine one. As I can take the message to the TikTok this camera on half-weighted on the half-weight mode. So I've got the bad stick. This thing didn't work now. The main plug-in with the lead on the mechanical and the window and from her that the information of the gen transition in the house into the information yesterday. Okay. Yeah, I didn't grab graphics for this more because that 10 pounds for that. And just get 8 pounds for me. And you get one graphic for me. So you get this home camera from 10 pounds one grade. The question would be 8 pounds one grade plus it's complete. I'm going to normal cookman. Me. And then machine can order the battery from 10,000 the one grade. No two batteries, just one battery. One camera. Simply inside the camera. Cover. Open the camera. Four. Okay. Just click on it. And cut. Okay. Cut now. So, switch from the car camera, the circle, the screen, back here, and click more. Okay, command of the electricity. I'll click it for electricism for my China for another single. I'll go to I think I can't forget it's over. This camera's not a great for me. That's not what you go. This thing is really fantastic together, because all kind of parts for it, all this kind of thing, you see all this kind of stuff to the glue, not here and glue for me, and the nose and the horn, I'll test and kitchen, and then griddle, and look for griddles there, and then that's it. That's all I have to do. I think so. Now that's it on the small camera. We'll get to last year from last month and so forth. And you can connect now. And then you can on price again for how much to tomorrow. You can get to the high price for tomorrow. You can 12 hours. You can hold back battery again until tomorrow. That's the exact day. So 6 p.m. for tomorrow. You see. Okay. Okay, one and cut and one on camera. Okay, Green right here, okay. Hello. Here's my shop. VL-A111 8mm Camcorder Viewcam. Fantastic new range. Hungry, like everyone. So go on. I think that's coming to go. Hungry.com. Thanks for being here. Hungry of Hungry.com. And thanks for the main cutter. That's not again the back way. I'm saying more. When this can all the game graphics to me. I'm going to turn off the good range of more. After things down at the key. More. Before now got them. How come to my phone? I'm on my phone to now. Dus dan zit hem gewoon, dan moet ik gewoon hier. En dan moet ik gewoon, ja, op een keer nog, ik weet niet, heel veel moet ik gewoon. Ik snap het, ja, kan ik niet, maar ja, er zijn nog gewoon. En dat is niet jongens, nee, gewoon kijken, gewoon, vrouw, gewoon kijken, een zo, dan kan ik niet aan zo, misschien. En de nou ook wat ik heb gezegd als het waar ja, maar weer eerst wat ja. Je krijgt maar wat zijn, dan gaan we gewoon, dan zit er gewoon, dan kan ik wel, dan kan ik zijn, dan kan ik wat nog wel, en gewoon, en dan misschien, en dan is mijn hand op, ja. En zie achter van me. Dan dan kan we dan klinkt man nou. Nou en connect en in bed en ook de gewoon met toch. Nou klinkt maar. Ook die moet gewoon en dan gaan we gewoon afgezocht. Oké? Dan klinkt me maar. Ik vind ik bed in. En dan kom in. Oké. Begon dat dan bij. Dat is waar. En krijg je nacht bij je goed maar. En toen heb ik gekeken. Dat is altijd een oké. Ik heb wat bij. Ik heb een zacht bij. Als ik denk, wat is het bij? Dat ik graag een bij. Gewoon maar bij. Dan ben ik gezegd, ach, toen wij. Ik heb een Engels niet meer gezegd. Oké, en door. Wat dan? Het mooie is, ik heb mijn tijd zo. Gewoon, good man. Good man. Ik ook, good man. En voor mezelf. Good man, shop. Het is heel officieel dat ik toch. Good man. Good. Oké. Oh, mijn tijd. Staat toch goed, hè? Kijk je af naar man. Nee. Hopefully, good man. Not gonna sound good man. This is a good strong man. That's strong man. He's good muscle good. Anyway, that's just that. Okay? And cut. Cut.